importing a drawing like this is something that actually starts from AutoCAD. So let's get AutoCAD now and see how the procedures are done. In AutoCAD, you might have a bunch of drawings like this, but just want to extract the floor plan. So what you normally do is that you have to delete some of the components that you didn't really need in ArchiCAD, like the dimensions here. You do away with the dimensions, and some lines you have to do away with them. Even the how do they call hatch, you can do away with your hatch, and you can allow the names. They don't have anything to hinder you in ArchiCAD. Just do away with some components that you don't really need. So once this drawing is ready like this, then you will create a new page and then copy the whole of this content, this very drawing, and paste inside, because you need just the floor plan to generate your 3D model in ArchiCAD. So let's create a new page now. We can simply say Ctrl N using the keyboard, or we'll mouse over to the file and say new. Let's get to the file, new, just OK. Alright, a new page has been created. So now we'll have to copy. Let's drop down, let's restore this button and then have access to the previous drawing, and we'll select this, select entirely this, and we can right click and ask it to copy. This very copy, not copy multiple, not copy selection. You have this native copy here, so just use this kind of copy, which is Ctrl C. Just copy. Alright, so that drawing has been copied. We'll restore this as well and have access to, let's drag it down, okay, to have access to the other drawing, the new page. So in this new page now, this is where we will paste. We can right click and choose paste, and usually in AutoCAD, for you to paste, you have to specify an insertion point. So let's specify an insertion point here. And ordinarily, because the work environment has not been set up, you will have to zoom to that extent of the drawing. So let's type Z on our keyboard, press the enter key, and then we'll type A, which means all, and then we'll press the enter key. And then it zooms all the drawings, zoom all. If you have multiple drawings in this page, it will zoom all, but because we have just it, you can see that it just pops up this particular drawing on your screen, telling us that this is the only thing available for the all screen range. Okay, so this is ready, so you can now save this drawing somewhere in your computer. So let's mouse over to the save button. We'll save this. Dialog box comes. We'll put in for, let's say, we'll type the name is for 3D model. For 3D model, that's the file name. We'll now save. Alright, we have saved that drawing. So let's switch back to ArchiCAD now and import this drawing. So in your ArchiCAD drawing interface like this, you don't have to use any import icon. Just mouse over to open. So ask ArchiCAD to open a drawing. So the file name was for 3D model. So let's mouse over. Okay, it's here for 3D model. So we will now say open. You select the drawing and click open. So ArchiCAD now tries to open the drawing. What this? File locked by another application. Retry. Okay, maybe we have not closed the AutoCAD. So we have to come here and close this screen. Just close the drawings, close the entire drawings, and minimize that and retry. Okay, you see that that has solved the problem. So that's one rule we have to know before you import drawings from whatever application. You have to, close the application so that so that it will not maintain the sharing links. Close the application before you import drawings. So these are the layers that I use on that particular drawing we are intending to open. So if you really want to import plus these layers, you allow them checked like this and say okay. So I'm okaying it. Alright, do you want to change the background color to be black? No, I want to maintain my ArchiCAD colors, so don't change. Do not change background. I don't want a black background. This is what I want. Okay, I am having loading reports here. It's telling me duplicate objects. So maybe this is not because of AutoCAD. This is my ArchiCAD problem. There are some certain libraries that it's not finding. I don't know, but I once formatted my system, so I'm having this library problem. I don't think you have such on your system. So some libraries are missing on my ArchiCAD, but that's not my problem. Let's close this dialog. It's not an AutoCAD problem. Okay, so this is how you bring your drawings into ArchiCAD. Whatever drawing, you can just prepare it in AutoCAD and save it, and then you come to ArchiCAD and ask ArchiCAD to open the drawing, not import. Open the drawing. So ArchiCAD will ask you those certain things, and just follow up, and you're done. And you get to this place. This is all. So this is how you transfer drawings into ArchiCAD for 3D modeling.